Okay, I'm looking for the Ford Taurus inertia fuel pump safety switch, and it's supposed to be located in the trunk on the passenger side. So I'm gonna go back here. I've already pumped my trunk here. Going back here to take a look. It's supposed to be right over here on this side. Okay, here's my light right here. It's supposed to be right here. So let me take this off right here. Take a look. Okay. That is it right there. That will automatically shut off in most cases in the case of an accident. And if you need to reset that, you just push the red button down. It has to be pushed down in order for the engine to restart itself. So this is like it is a safety switch, an inertia safety switch, and it's located in the trunk right here.